Today I am going to start HTML course. First I open the VS Code and here are some shortcut keys. To open a file first I go to File tab and click New File. After that you can give name of the file with extensions. Then choose a location to save this. In VS Code we can get HTML template simply. Type HTML:5, just enter. We can look like these. This is the HTML basic template. First we can see HTML tag. After that we can see head tag and body tag nested to HTML tag. What is the meaning of title? Title is the one what appears on the tab of the web browser. We can change this and save. Appears on the tab.